I'll be talking to Francis about his driving test and what actually happened when it got cancelled. So, Francis, this video's about Francis because what's happened is he's got his test coming up.
Yep.
It was today, wasn't it?
It was today, yeah.
And when did you get your email?
I got my email at 8:30 yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning saying that it had been cancelled. What was the reason why it had been cancelled?
The assessor is no longer available, so yeah.
Assessor's no longer available.
Yeah.
And it's annoying really because we've been kind of working up to it.
Yeah.
You know, it's your second test, I have to say. First test.
Yeah.
What did you fail from the first test?
I didn't check my mirrors, that sort of thing. So
Just
yeah.
once, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right. And what they do is they'll pull you over 4 or 5 times, and then every now and then they'll say, "Pull over there," like that, and it kind of caught you out, didn't it?
Yeah.
You didn't expect it, and that's the only thing you fell for, unfortunately. So it's a quick
Yeah.
test we got in for. I think it was about 3 or 4 weeks away.
Yeah.
Right. So we were all ready to go today, and it got cancelled. What was the date they gave you?
They gave me 2 weeks from now.
2 weeks from now.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're not going to say the new date because that's not fair.
Yeah.
But you did use the cancellation service, didn't you? Originally.
Yeah. So driving test genie is the cancellation service I used, and it just sends you a text saying there's a new test here at this date, and you text book, and then it will book it for you.
Yeah. So basically, what as far as what was happened then is it must have the system must have realised that you've had a test changed.
Yeah.
So it's offering you a new test, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And we got one pretty quick. So even though it's supposed to be today, we've got one a lot sooner than the date they gave us.
Yeah.
So and how did you feel when you found out it'd been cancelled?
I was pretty annoyed and upset because I'd been looking forward to it and driving, but it happens. People get ill and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, it happens. It can't be helped. I suppose what you've got to keep remember is keep checking your emails.
Yeah, check your emails.
I had a student a month ago who didn't check her emails, and we turned up at test centre, and hers had been cancelled and been put forward 2 weeks. So she was 2 weeks early.
Yeah.
Any advice you can give anyone about this?
Well, if it does get cancelled, just don't be too gutted, and they'll reschedule. And yeah, if you're really that worried, you can get a cancellation service.
Yeah.
And have it a few days later.
Yeah. Anyone taking the test? Good luck. What I'll do is I'll post a comment with how Francis gets on. Okay. Take care. Safe driving.